Good morning everyone, and a new concept that is going through the initial 2024 review could eventually result in a LEGO Ideas Hello Kitty build. Bulldozer, who has several other projects under consideration, is putting out a proposal for a new collaboration between LEGO Group and Hello Kitty. Japan is particularly fond of them. Hello Kitty offers a universe of adorable characters with vividly coloured structures and adventures. The initiative intends to celebrate Hello Kitty's 50th anniversary in 2024. However, a set based on this entry probably wouldn't be available for purchase for at least a year. There are 4 Hello Kitty minifigures suggested for the project, along with printed parts and builds for additional characters. 4 structures honoured the franchise history while providing locations from Sanrio Town. This comprises of Badtz-Maru's arcade, My Melody's gift shop, Keroppa's mini mark, and Hello Kitty's cafe. Apologies for completely butchering all those names. Each has a tiny inside area and serves as an accessory to store extra change, stationery, phones, and other items in the drawer. The suggested minifigures might resemble the tiny characters found in the 4 LEGO Gabby's Dollhouse sets, although unless they were made completely out of bricks, they would still need a few extra parts. Currently, as of writing this script, the Hello Kitty and Friends 50-year project has only surpassed just 10,000 backers and has not yet been accepted. It also becomes part of a number of other projects in LEGO's idea assessment. What do you think of this set? Is this something that you'd be interested in? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.